What's up, Mac bro? So I have Bill with me. He is a mechanical engineer. So he's the one who's taking care of one of my project here in our yard. So I'm gonna ask him about kung paano nagtatrabaho yung mga Pilipino, kung ano yung tingin niya sa mga Pilipino as katrabaho, as kasama sa project, kung ano yung workmanship, kung ano yung attitude or behavior ng isang Pilipino dito sa Australia. So I'm going to interview him and let's watch this video. Hi, Bill. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Bill, mechanical engineer from South Australia, working on heavy equipment.
Yep. So, what can you say about Filipinos working with you now?
Very easy to get along with. Almost nothing is too hard. Just show them which way to go. Make sure that the understanding is there, and let them have a go at it. And they're easy to ask the questions, which is so beneficial for our heavy industry. That keeps everybody safe and keeps the projects going.
Wow, that's really good. So, with for almost a month or more than a month working with us, did you learn something from us?
Yes, probably patience for myself, um, and helping with good characteristics
Mm.
and teamwork. That's one thing I notice. Like team spells together, everyone achieves more. So that's what I see a lot. Is a lot of teamwork.
Yeah, that's really good. So, one last question, Bill. What can you say about Filipino generally who's working now in here in Australia? What can you say about about our culture bringing here as in inside of the work area or work site? What can you say about it? Is it really helping the Australia to to make great, or are we helping the economy to be more to be more better, or are we really fit with your country, or what can you
Yeah,
say?
there's a willingness just to make it happen. That's a big thing. Willingness. Like if you have the will, you'll find a way. And that's what I notice here with the Filipino people. Uh, Nothing seems to be too hard. They've got the willingness to get on with the job, uh, and look and ask questions like how to go about it, which is going to be a big benefit for the continent because we're going to need more workers as the industry grows and gets busier. We're going to need more arms and legs, and these people seem to be having that will to make things happen and get it done.
That's great. And one last question, this is my last question. Since you have your own business, if ever there's a chance, are you going to hire a Filipino?
Oh yeah, hands down,
Really?
hands down.
All right. So, Bill, thank you so much for your time and thank you for being part of my channel. I hope this what all the things that you said, it will gonna give a motivation to every Filipino who's trying to apply for a job here in Australia. Bill, thank you so much and God bless you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
So yun, so napanood yun naman yung interview natin kay Bill. Si Bill kanina. So again, si Bill kasi is siya yung mechanical engineer consultant namin na hina for the specific project na ginagawa namin. So nag-refurbish kami nung shear machine namin na malaki. Actually yung shear machine na yun yung nagpa-process ng mga ferrous namin sa loob ng yard. So taka lang, tatawid lang ako. There you go. So yeah, kita nyo naman kung gaano ka-sincere yung mga sinasabi niya about sa ating mga Pilipino. So actually habang ini-interview siya kanina, habang binabato ko yung mga question, nakaka-proud, ang sarap sa pakiramdam bilang Pilipino na na-appreciate tayo ng ibang lahi, na-appreciate ng ibang lahi yung workmanship ng Pilipino, no? Yung dedication, ng pagiging dedicated ng Pilipino, especially sa kanilang mga duties and responsibilities. So I can say na talaga ang mga Pilipino pagdating sa ibang bansa at nagtatrabaho bilang isang OFW, proud ako sabihin na we are a world-class worker. Okay? We are a world-class worker. We are a world-class employee. So hindi tayo basta-basta. So it means yung quality ng ating work, yung quality ng ating trabaho, so yung quality ng mga nagiging accomplishment natin is hindi basta-basta. Okay? Nakakatuwa yun, nakakataba ng puso, nakaka-proud. That's why I'm proud to be a Filipino, especially dito sa Brisbane, Australia. Proud ako kasi I'm part of a country na nagpo-produce ng mga world-class worker, no, mga world-class professional. So nakaka-proud yun. So nga pala, so bago makalimutan, kakapost lang ni BF dito siguro mga 3 hours ago. So they are urgently hiring another position. So katulad ng binlag ko kahapon, meron silang position na dalawa. So ngayon kakapost lang, napakainit pa, fresh na fresh. So they are needing a mechanical technician. Ang kailangan nila mechanical technician, at least mayroong idea or knowledge sa mga plastic containers. So the same requirements, no? Same requirements, at least you have 5 years experience. Walang gap, dire-diretso, at ang position na ginampanan nyo or naging trabaho nyo sa loob ng 5 years is dapat mechanical technician. Then of course, at least nakatapos ng first year sa college. So first sem and second sem. First year, natapos nyo yun, yung second sem ng first year nyo. Then, not more than 41 years old, then meron na nakaready passport. If you guys think you meet this qualification, okay, pasahan nyo na agad yan kay BFG. Isayin nyo na agad yung resume nyo, then prepare for an interview. Alright? So, I'm really happy and I'm so grateful na maka-interview ng isang Australiano, asking him kung ano yung experience niya to work with a Filipino like me, a Filipino like with my colleague na nasa loob ng aming yard. So I'm so amazed when I'm throwing this question to him. Parang ang sabi ko, wow, very natural yung sagot niya, kung ano yung natural experience niya, kung ano yung actual experience niya bilang, kasama namin sa project is gano'n na lang. So nakakataba ng puso. So yun lang mga kapatid, yun lang mga Mac Bro. So I hope kahit pa paano na-motivate tayo, and na-motivate tayo sa mga sinabi ni Bill, no? I'm just asking you a favor, guys. So if ever you guys gonna be here, gonna have an opportunity to work here in Australia, o kahit hindi sa Australia, kahit sa Canada, kahit sa USA, kahit sa Middle East, always give your 100% commitment. Okay? There is a sense of responsibility sa binigay sa ating opportunity. Then I can promise you guys na kung gagawin natin yon, okay, magiging consistent tayo, magiging masipag tayo, magiging matalino tayo sa trabaho na ibinigay sa atin at pinagkatiwala sa atin, I can assure you guys, yung career nyo is magbo-boom. No, not just only a career, pati ang ating buhay bilang OFW, ito ay magiging successful. Okay? Siyempre, hindi natin magagawa yan lahat if hindi tayo tutulungan ng ating Panginoong Yesus. So, lahat, bago kayo magplano, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga vlog ko, always have faith first. Okay? Mag-pray kayo. Then, ipagkatiwala nyo sa Kanya ang plano nyo at humingi kayo ng knowledge and wisdom para ma-execute ngayon yung mga pinaplano nyo. Okay? Without Him, okay, hindi tayo magiging successful. Without God, hindi tayo mapupunta dun sa tamang landas na dapat nandoon tayo. Okay? So lahat ng pangarap natin, ipagkatiwala natin yan sa Diyos at maging faithful, okay? At laging humingi ng guidance kay Lord para mabigyan tayo ng tamang talino at lakas upang ma-execute natin yung ating mga pangarap. So, guys, maraming salamat sa pag-support nyo sa channel ko, especially sa mga bago nag-like, sa bago nag-subscribe sa ating channel. So maraming salamat. Sana lahat ng nagiging video or nagiging vlog ko is nakaka-inspire sa inyo at nabibigyan ko kayo ng mga idea how to apply here in Australia. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating channel, and please wait for my next vlog, and I'm hoping na lagi nyo ako supportahan. Maraming salamat, and God bless mga Mac Bro.